If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If you are customizing a form that contains a line items area, you can resize the columns displayed within the line items area within the printed version of the form. To do this, simply click once on the columns shown towards the bottom of the form within the Layout Designer window to select the entire table of columns. Then place your mouse pointer between any two columns to the left or right of the column that you want to resize until the mouse pointer turns into an icon of a single vertical line intersected by a horizontal arrow. When the mouse pointer changes, then click and drag either left or right to increase or decrease the size of the columns. Note that you cannot select the far right or far left column borders within the table to resize those columns. You can only resize the entire table to change the far right or far left borders of the table area. However, you should not expand the size of the table into the margins of the printed form. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.